Hi there everyone, Josie here, Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel where you will find mostly affordable, practical, and easy DIYs. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and don't forget to click that notification bell icon so that you will not miss any of my new uploads. Today, I have another haul for you all, and this is another Lakeside Collection haul. And I have had great response from my previous haul. I think I did it about a month and a half ago when I did my first Lakeside Collection haul, and I showed you a lot of the clearance items. They're having a Christmas decor sale right now, and they have a lot of clearance sales. So if you are trying to decorate for winter, because winter will not be done until March 22nd, I believe, or March 21st. So you could still decorate your home for winter. For the first item, this barn, it's actually a tree topper, Christmas tree topper. And that's why the bottom part is open. And this one has a faux it makes you think that it will open up, right? That's why I thought actually it would, but it's not a big deal if it doesn't. It's just a decorative latch. So anyway, what I'm planning on doing, I purchased two of this, and what I'm planning on doing is I am going to be hanging each one on the wall, and I'm planning on probably putting one on each end so that it'll be just like a a wall sconce. So I'm going to put some LED lights. I don't know yet if it's going to be a candle. I think a candle, LED candle from Dollar Tree would look great in it. I'm going to put something here that I can open and close. It's not going to be a permanent one, a bottom one. Maybe I'll use a foam board from the Dollar Tree. I can just hang it on a nail like so. So I put a nail here just to try so that I can just hang it here. I am going to be putting it in a more stable hanging, but I just want to show you what my idea is. I'm just going to put it there, one on each side of the DIY wrought iron headboard that I created. I'll probably center it a little bit down so that I can put one here and then one on the other side there. Now, the next item I'm going to show you here is this elf sign. And this is made of maybe MDF or particle board. And the sign says, "This house believes." It's 27 inches long, 10 inches wide. Love it. Now, I'm thinking if you're into this, you can just use this as is. Or in my case, I'm thinking because it looks like it's a shutter, to be honest, I'm going to probably paint over it. I have this kind of chalk paint. And then I'm going to paint over the sign here and then make it like either a door or a shutter. I'm thinking more shutter. So I'm going to see if I can find those jumbo sticks from Walmart. And I'm going to buy them and cut them to size. And then I'm going to put them all the way down here. And then maybe leave this one solid. And then make this as a faux shutter. So it's amazing. Now the full price of this one is $12.99. Just want to show you the pricing here. It's $3.25 on sale. This is my receipt, and I want to show you the ones I encircled there, the ones that I didn't pay discounted. They are, that's their regular price. So this one again is $12.99. As you can see here, let me just show you. 27-inch elf sign. Original price, if you check online, $12.99. I only paid $3.25. What a bargain, huh? Okay, the next item, and my apologies, I'm using my bed as kind of like my, instead of my usual work table in my studio, I'm using the top of the bed because of that wood sign, the elf sign, because it's too big to fit anyway. So I might as well just do all the hole here. So anyway, the next one here is this lighted cloche. This is the large one. This comes in 3 sizes. I think the prices range from, I think, $6.99 For the small one, the medium, I think, was like $8.99. The large is $9.99. Something like that. But anyway, I got this on sale. This was originally $9.99. It's now just $6.99. Not a big jump on the price as far as the sale is concerned, but I think it's really a good price nonetheless, even with the full price, because I looked for this one at Amazon and they cost more than $9.99. Okay, so this one is lighted already. Let me just turn on the switch. I already added the batteries. It needed 3 AA batteries, by the way. So let me just close the window so you could see. Okay, it's still daylight, but you could actually see how it's going to look like lit, right? Now, this reminds me of the Beauty and the Beast. I actually had a project before, which is a Beauty and the Beast, you know, the rose, the forever rose, I think is what I called it. So I'm going to be linking it in the upper right hand corner here. So if you're interested in watching my DIY using only Dollar Tree materials. But this one, I'm thinking maybe, I don't know if it can be removed, to be honest, and then you can put a rose inside. I'm going to try to figure it out. It looks like there are some adhesives there, but I think you can yank it off. I just want to be careful with this. It's not a must for me to put a rose there. I'm just telling you in case you are thinking about that. And it looks nice. And I know for weddings, they'll be perfect. Put a rose or any type of flower that you like inside. It'll be great as a centerpiece. So just decorate around it. So again, this one was $6.99. Okay, these are the next items. This actually comes in a pair. So there are 2 pairs that you can get. One is this with a house and sort of like a barn shape structure here. And then the other one is also a house and a church. And I am going to try to insert a photo here so that you could see. Now, for a set, originally this was priced at originally $8.99 for the 2, and now it's just $2.25 for the 2. This is not too big. This is actually an ornament with that LED tea light inside. And yeah, I really love it a lot. And for $2.25 for them, they are a good price again, because they're already lit as well. And again, you can use this as ornaments, or you can just put this in your tier tray. Actually, I'm gonna try it on my tier tray right now. So this haul is really different because I'm kind of trying out things as I go, and you know, I'm pretty excited with what I have gotten here. So yeah, there they are in my tier tray, you know, along with the other things. So yeah, beautiful. And I think, you know, it doesn't really look like snow, although they're trying to make it look like it. It looks like it's just a galvanized house with white rooftop. Okay, so, but if you want to paint it, fine. I'm going to leave it as is and use it all year round. Okay, I really love this a lot. These are, again, ornaments that you can hang on a tree, but this one would fit also my tier tray. You can put this on your tier tray or hang it on the wall, one on top of each other, one next to each other. It has this animal image here. One is a cow, one is a rooster or a chicken. Originally for the 2 is $4.99. I only paid $1.25 for both of them. And then a set of 2 wooden wreath ornaments. Again, they're ornaments kind of like those tobacco baskets, and perfect size again for your tier trays or wall hangings. They're so pretty. And this one actually you can use all year, season after season. You don't really need to do anything about it. It just says farm. This one, of course, is more Christmas. So yeah, or you can just change this if you're not into that. You can just decorate the back, but it's really well made. This is made of particle board again. There are some scoring here that you can feel. It's textured. This is not fake or paper, but real scored ones, as you could see here. And then this one is like die cut, but they are made of, again, maybe MDF or chipboard material. So you want to focus it really well. Love them. Okay, the next one is another amazing buy, although this is full price because I think they're coming up with their spring decor line. And I gotta tell you, I think this one would just sell really fast because there is, or I think there are two more styles there. And I think one of them is also sold out. So I chose this one, which is perfect. This is the large one. It's called a single planner. And what I like about this one is it's made of metal. So they painted it like it's galvanized. And it has this solar power kind of control here, or this has a solar kind of cells here so that you can just take it outside your backyard or on your front porch. And this is a faucet, and they already attached the LED lights. So I cannot turn this on yet because it was covered. The solar panel here or cells have been covered, so I cannot turn it on yet. But you know, just I'm gonna put an insert on the photo on how it looks like. You can put fake or real plants here, and then you can just put this and then kind of make it look like this is water that's cascading down as well. But I figured, you know, I've been trying to do this too. I've been thinking about doing this, but the cheapest I could find was $12.99 online. And then I went to Lowe's and I couldn't find the style that I want. They have other faucets there, but this is the perfect style. But if think about it, if you're gonna make it yourself, you're gonna buy some pipes, also PVC that you're gonna paint, and also maybe you can do away with that, you know, the flower and garden pot with the same size and color or finish from Dollar Tree. So that's $1. But and also you can buy the Dollar Tree LED lights. It may not be solar powered, so you can pull this up for maybe almost the same price if you're gonna buy the faucet. It's hard to pull this off without, you know, spending more than $10 or 12, because again, like I said, this one is expensive. This is made of heavy duty material. They're all metal, and it even has this riser here so that it kind of balances things off and it's not gonna flip over, because you know the Dollar Tree one, it will flip over if you put something heavy at the back, but this one is screwed. I had to assemble it. It's very easy or simple to do. Price on this one is $15.99. I paid full price for this one. Love it. Okay, repeat buy for us would be this leggings or tights, the Marilyn Monroe tights, and they are $6.99 a piece. So $13.99 for the two of them. My daughter and I are going to Cleveland next week. She's doing something, research for her university, and some retreat, visiting my sister. And so these are in black. I love the first one that I purchased. It's really durable. My daughter loves it too. So it's perfect for winter, well, actually starting fall when it becomes really chilly, but especially winter. So you can wear this with your winter boots. And if you're going to the snow, you won't be too cold. So I've decided to buy us one more each because we're traveling to Cleveland and it's snowing there right now. And then I also purchased this. These are 7 pairs of mild diabetic socks. I'm diabetic, so I'm going to be using this. And this is not just a diabetic socks. This can be your winter socks for your, you know, especially if you're wearing boots. So my daughter will be using the blue and the black. So that's it. Let me show you the blue. And this is the blue. And then this is the black. Yep. So this is, I think, one size, if I'm not mistaken, one size fits all. So that's it for my haul today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, if you want to check Lakeside Collection, again, I am not an affiliate. This is not sponsored by Lakeside Collection. Check in the description box below. I'm going to be putting there the link to their site. And if you are purchasing from them for the first time, I think you can sign up their mailing list, and then you will automatically get a free shipping for purchases totaling 50 and up. Otherwise, you will have to pay $5 shipping for anything that's 50 and below 75. and you'll get free shipping if you're purchasing total of 75 and up. And I really love the products and the quality. And I know that somebody commented before that they're thinking that the products that they sell are not good quality. So when I showed them that they are really actually good, she started purchasing from them. So I am not this is not a paid advertisement, so I'm not pushing for a product just because I am paid or sponsored, but because I am a satisfied customer. If you are interested in their Christmas decorations, they're so lovely and so inexpensive. Go and check them out right now. Take care, everyone. Share this with anyone that you think would benefit from this video. And I hope you all have a great day. I'll talk to you in the comments section down below and on my next video. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.